Hello, everyone. I know a lot of people call me crazy and I really don't give a fuck. I can actually say that I have seen some shit that the meager humans would most definitely say, she's nuts. And they will say that the day that I share them. That's how they keep the biggest secrets ever, by the way. They tend to classify your ass when you can think and see the fucking light. Well, that light is shining through my fucking flesh to the point that it has a very well-shaped form. They can't say shit about that because it can be seen. You will see a light in you before you ever see a God, and that is on the real. When that light goes out, that is when the truth usually smacks us in our atmospheric faces. It won't smack my ass because I know the truth. We are living a complete illusion here on planet Earth. We can't decipher a lie and a truth because we are taught to lie. Don't say that you don't lie because that is what humans are taught. Humans are taught to see shit that isn't there or pretend shit is there when it isn't. Plus, they are instructed to pass it on to their future generations. If you have noticed, the generations are getting shorter, people. Humans use make-believe shit all through their human cycle. That is really fucked up, people. They even prepare you to lie while they institutionalize you and rape your brains mentally. That's right, humans. You can rape mentally. They have been fucking your brains for centuries. By the time we become adults, we have all the lies packed down and we can now join all the other liars of society. Somebody needs to lay this foundation because you people actually believe that a God owns this universe. The universe owns this universe. You actually believe a God owns our water. Man owns our water and he has many patents on it. God does not have a patent on our water and he can't copyright it either. You guys believe a God owns this earth when man owns this earth. God owns no title to any land on earth. Depend on God and your ass will be out on the fucking street because man wants his fucking money. He don't give a fuck about a damn God. I have to keep going. You people believe God owns the seeds of the earth when man owns those seeds as well. The planet seeds are owned by Queenie. And that is fucking hilarious because he is genetically fucking shit up and his name is genetically fucked up. The walking seed is owned by man. Yes, your earth masters are the owners of man, not a God. As a matter of fact, God has never interfered with man, no matter how many deaths come about as a result of their human hands. If God owns any human on earth, he doesn't give two bits of a rat's ass about them. I did tell you guys that we are rats, didn't I? Right about now, we are in the lab. We live in a laboratory, guys. We grow up on lies. We live lies, and we are lies. We need to pinch ourselves every fucking morning to see if we are an illusion that day or not. Instead of thanking your earth masters for waking you the fuck up. You get sent back every morning from life to deal with death, and that is what we are doing. It sounds crazy because we walk with infected minds and we don't understand our inner selves. I keep informing you that you have to wake up in your sleep to understand life. Until you do that, you are going to always see the illusion your gods give you every morning you wake up to death. Let that stew in your brains for a little while and you just might understand that those that they say died are standing next to your ass yelling, "Don't believe that miracle on 34th Street." I'm out.